Dear students, let's start our class. Today, we are going to discuss a new chapter from your geography. The name of the chapter is Climate. Dear student, the term climate is the sum total of the weather conditions over a large area for a long period of time. The term weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a place and time with reference to the following elements: temperature, humidity, pressure, cloudiness or sunshine, precipitation, and wind. The weather conditions fluctuate very often within a day based on the generalized monthly atmospheric conditions. The year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer, and rainy seasons. The world is divided into a number of climatic regions. In Asia, India, and other south and southeastern countries have monsoon type of climate. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mawsim, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind directions during a year. Dear students, regional climatic variation in India. Although there is an overall unity in the general climatic pattern in India, there are some perceptible regional variations. Temperature. The temperature in the winter in northwestern mountainous regions can go down to 45 degrees Celsius, while it is 22 degrees Celsius in Tiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Similarly, it can go up to 50 degrees Celsius in summer in some part of western Rajasthan and 20 degrees Celsius in Shillong. In many areas, there is a wide variation between day and night temperature. In the Thar Desert, the day temperature may rise up to 50 degrees Celsius and drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius the same night. On the other hand, there is hardly any differences in day and night temperatures in the Andaman and Nicobar Island or in Kerala. Precipitation. There is a wide variation observed in its amount and seasonal distribution. Precipitation in the form of snowfall occurs only in upper parts of Himalayas. The rest of the country receives rainfall. A typical example, the annual precipitation varies from over 400 cm in Meghalaya to less than 10 cm in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Similarly, most part of the country receives rainfall from June to September, but the Tamil Nadu coast gets most of its rain during October and November. Coastal regions experience different weather conditions from the interior regions. For example, temperature and seasonal contrast are relatively mild. The rainfall also decreases from east to west. Such differences help to create a variety in lives of people. The food they eat, the clothes they wear, the kind of houses they use for living, and so on. Dear students, let us discuss about climatic controls. Permanent factors which govern the general nature of the climate of any location on the earth are called factors of climatic controls. The factors of climatic controls are mainly latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief feature. The angular distance of a location from the equator in north-south direction is called latitude due to the curvature of the earth. Latitude changes the amount of solar energy received. As a result, air temperature decreases from equator towards the poles. Altitude refers to the height above mean sea level. With increased height from the earth's surface, the temperature decreases and air becomes less dense. Therefore, hilly regions are cooler in summer. Pressure and wind system. It depends on the latitude and altitude of a place. Thus, it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern of the sea. Continentally, or distance from the sea exerts a moderating influence on the climate. As the distance from the sea increases, the weather conditions become more extreme. Ocean currents, along with onshore winds, the ocean currents affect the climate of coastal areas. For example, cold onshore currents bring coolness in coastal areas. Relief features. High mountains stop cold or hot winds from reaching a location. It can also cause rain or snow if the place is on the windward side of the mountains. Dear students, let's recap the portion. The term climate is the sum total of the weather conditions over a large area for a long period of time. Regional climatic variation in India. Although there is an overall unity in the general climatic pattern in India, there are some perceptible regional variations. Climatic controls. Permanent factors which govern the general nature of the climate of any location on the earth are called factors of climatic controls. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.